In the glitz and glam of professional wrestling, one name struts through history with unmatched charisma: Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. Known for his flamboyant robes, blonde locks, and the iconic "woo" catchphrase, Flair was a maestro of showmanship. Ric Flair's career spanned over 4 decades, earning him a record-setting 16 World Championship reigns. His feuds with legendary opponents like Dusty Rhodes and Ricky Steamboat became the stuff of wrestling folklore. Flair's ability to sell a match was second to none, drawing audiences into the story with every dramatic flair. His interviews were as thrilling as his matches, blending confidence, humor, and theatricality. Beyond the glittering persona, Flair's influence reshaped wrestling, paving the way for future generations of performers. As long as wrestling rings exist, the legacy and flair of the Nature Boy will continue to strut victoriously into the hearts of fans.